This is what a photovoltaic power plant maintained by Solar Clean Bulgaria looks like. Low vegetation, regular mowing and maintaining a low level of vegetation reduces the risk of fire in the hot months and prevents shading of the panels. Clean panels. Periodic cleaning of solar panels reduces the risk of hotspots and increases productivity. Periodic thermal inspection of the plant gives a clear idea of the condition of the solar panels. Panels with hotspots are replaced in a timely manner and you avoid the risk of fire. www.solarcleaning.bg